Hello guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment on Seminyak Beach. Yes, I'm making like streaming because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Seminyak Beach today. Okay, sunset. Sunset will be coming very soon. Yeah. On Seminyak Beach, you can enjoy the live music with the sunset. The sunset will come very soon. Okay, we turn around the camera. I will show you double six beach. Double six is right there at the front. Yeah, it is look quite busy today, isn't it? Because yesterday I was been here also very busy. Okay. Just like live music, just be done. With the session 2 will come in very soonly. Okay, let's have a look how busy this area today. Sunset will become very soon. Welcome back to Bintang. Bintang. Where did you arrive in Bali? You just arrived in Bali? Oh, you're staying a long time already. I see there's a flight from Melbourne come today to Bali. I'm really happy. Yeah. Where do you come from? Sweden. I like. Hopefully they will come in busy soon. Yeah, right. Okay, enjoy the beer. They come from Sweden. See, live music. It's very nice. Today, I see on the beach. It is quite busy, isn't it? There is some people on the beach. Next step. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I'm so sorry because this camera I don't use any stabilizer, so sometimes the camera up down. But yeah, I keep continue driving. I keep continue walk around, and I want to show you how the situation at the moment on Seminyak Beach. Maybe you're missing Bali Beach already. Yeah, this is the station at the moment on Seminyak Beach. It's quite busy today, even not on the weekend. So many people today. Okay, let's keep walk around. See, some people playing soccer on the beach. That is so fun. Sunset coming down Sunday. This will be very beautiful sunset today because it's a bit clear. Dari Jakarta, Mbak?
Iya.
Udah ada seperti di Bali. Ada mobil sih, siapa tahu motor gitu.
Oh, udah.
Yeah, even on the weekend today look quite busy. There's a lot of people going to the beach today to enjoy the sunset. Okay, like walk around, have a look around this area. Yeah, it is so many people today. That's really good. Seminyak Beach before the sunset. Okay, I will walk around a little bit further because I just want to show you how the station at the moment on La Plancha, the most famous cafe on Seminyak Beach. Some tourists down there. It's quite busy actually. Some people playing football today. That just looks so fun. See tourists? Yeah. That is so many today. See a lot of tourists on the beach. So this one. Some coffee there, but look very quiet. Okay. Actually, I want to make video at the front exactly where this La Mancha, the most famous cafe on this beach. But the problem is right there. There's like have live music, so it's gonna be like copyright when I make video right there. Yeah, but I just want to show you a little bit. There will be no problem, I think. So beautiful today. The sunset coming down very soonly. Yeah, you see there at the front? That is La Plancha. La Plancha is just right here. There's so many people there. But the problem when I make video down there, there's music and I will be like on copyright if I make the video down there. Is anyone missing Bali? Yeah, there's a lot of people missing Bali now. And today I got news there's one flight directly from Melbourne to Bali. And they bring like 200 passengers. That's really good news today. I'm really happy to hear that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you see the front there? There's a lot of people on La Plancha. It looks so busy today. Even on the weekend, there's a lot of people going to the beach to see sunset. But I cannot make video down there very closely because, as I told you, there is have live music. There is have music, and I will be on copyright when I make video down there. Okay, guys. So this is the situation at the moment on Seminyak Beach. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Okay, see sunset a bit. Yeah, will be very beautiful sunset today because it's like so clear today. Just like about in 10 minutes there will be sunset. Woo. Hello. No music yet. Oh, that's good. So I can come closer because the music not starting yet. Okay, good. How busy this area? We can sit together. Hello. Strong man. Brother. You very strong. Yeah, it is quite busy today. It's very good. I mean, like, Bali will be getting better very soonly because, as I told you today, there one flight from Australia, from Melbourne, directly flight to Bali, and they bring 300 people to come to Bali. That's really good. That's really good news for today. And also I want to tell you, if you want to come to Bali, you can come to Bali without quarantine on 23 countries on list from our government. But you must have already vaccinated full vaccine, 2-time vaccine, and then 1 booster. So you can fly to Bali without quarantine. And you have to show the 3-night hotel booking already. See, so many tourists today. Yeah. Okay. Oh, the sunset will be down very soonly. That's very beautiful. Okay, I will make a zoom a little bit. Yeah, that is the sunset today. كيف حالك؟ أهلا وسهلا يا أخي. Thank you for watching this video. I'm really appreciate it. And if you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, but I'm gonna say sorry because this camera is not really good quality. I just use old mobile phone. Yeah, finally, Seminyak Beach is busy today. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.